So I fancy a bit of an experiment today. So I thought I'm going to make some dumplings with some oats and some cottage cheese. Let's see what happens. Now I'm going to start by making oat flour. You could probably actually just put everything into a food blender and just whiz it all up. But I made oat flour first. And then I added the cottage cheese, eggs, salt and pepper, blend it all together, and that's it. It's super easy. And now I've got some salted boiling water, and you just spoon it into the water. And when it starts to float is when it's ready. So as soon as it starts floating to the surface, you take it out the top and put it in a bowl, and then you just keep going until all your mix is gone. I tried a couple of different ways. I just poured it straight in. I did all sorts, and it came out really well. Well, we ain't winning any awards for presentation, but they look good. They smell good. Taste test. It tastes good. Oh, wow. I wasn't sure how these were going to actually turn out. These are really good. Cool. Well, I don't know what it's like eating, actually. It's like salty and peppery, like creaminess from the cottage cheese. Wow, it's really good. Guys, try this at home. I'm going to make a chicken dish with this, so stay tuned for the next episode.